Most business owners I work with have an immense drive to make their business successful, to make it work, and to really, really stand out. And you know where that drive stems from? It's because they feel different. They feel they are outside of the group and most likely have felt like that for most of their life, if not always. And the thing is, they are unique. They are different. That's why they're quite successful already in what they do. It's because they think different. They're not part of everyone else. And in itself, they like that, but they also don't like it, because as human beings, we all have this need to belong, to be part of something. And that's why their drive is even bigger than of an average business owner, because they have that extra thing that they are fighting against, showing everyone that they belong. And I love nothing better than working with these kind of driven business owners, because I know as soon as we dive into their uniqueness, into what sets them apart, into how their brain truly works, that their results are gonna skyrocket because of it. Because of the acceptance, because of how they use it, and because of the tools that we use in my business coaching. So, if you have a tremendous drive, if you have felt difference maybe almost all your life, and if you want to grow your business, reach out. I can help.